Hi, my name is Richel Boris Mangmang. I am from Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. I taught mathematics for 15 years in the Department of Education, the Philippines, and I rendered my early retirement after this 15-year service and I went to Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, I was a private tutor and a preschool teacher for the children with different nationalities. And now I'm back in the Philippines. My principle is I help students understand mathematics and let them realize the importance of math because we cannot escape mathematics in our daily life situation. So I help the students improve their problem solving skills and gain confidence in a class. So I made my lesson clear, step by step, and adjusted to your own pace. So I usually use the differentiated learning strategies to cater the needs and the interest of each child. So I also use games, the PowerPoint, the online activities, and most of all the real life situation just to make math less stressful and more engaging. I've also coached the grade 7 students for grade 7 MTOP Math Challenge for several years, and we were a consistent champion on that time. Then, so I know how to prepare the students both school exams and competitions. So thanks for watching my intro video and I can't wait to meet you and learn more about your goals. So book a trial lesson with me and we will make math easier and more fun together. See you in class.